So today's topic is polarization. Polarization and related rule, Fajans rule. Polarization. Polarization means the displacement of positive charge relative to negative charge in a system. Displacement of positive charge relative to negative charge in a system. Next important term, polarizability. Polarizability refers Polarizability refers to the difficulty with which such a displacement can be achieved. Polarizability refers to the difficulty with which such displacement can be achieved. Very simple diagram. Suppose a cation, anion. Next, cation, deformation of anion. Next part, positive, negative, increasing polarization. তাহলে এক কথায় polarization means the bond formation in between positive with an negative. Positive cation, a bond formed with a negative anion, or negative anion formed bond with the positive cation is known as polarization power. This polarization power first discovered by Fajans. The rule is known as Fajans rule. But in general, we know that in any period, the alkali metal is the most polarizable. In general, in any period, the alkali metal is the most polarizable. Polarizability decreases along a period and increases along a group. So polarization or polarizability decreases along a period and increases along a group. Very, very important. Then we coming in Fajans rule. Rule number 1, very, very important rule. The more highly charged a cation is, the more effective it is in polarizing the anion. So cationic charge and cationic radius play an important role in Fajans rule. Arekbar, the more highly charged a cation is, the more effective it is in polarizing the anion. Very simple diagram. Cation, anion polarized by cation. Anion polarized by cation. First rule. Polarizing power of a cation is depend on its charge by radius ratio. This charge by radius ratio is also be known as ionic potential. This ionic potential is symbolized by phi. If phi value increases, that means polarization power or polarizability increases. If phi value decreases, that means polarization decreases. So charge by radius ratio means ionic potential value, that means phi value. So phi value is greater for small highly charged cations and phi value lower for the large small charged cation. If we got example, suppose boron 3 plus, beryllium 2 plus and lithium. Compare the polarization or polarizability power in between boron 3 plus. Question is like that. Polarization power, compare the polarization power in between boron 3 plus, beryllium 2 plus and lithium. খুব সহজ কিভাবে? Lithium, according to periodic table, lithium, then beryllium, then boron. According to periodic table, if we goes from left hand to right hand, size of the atom gradually decreases. That means radius of the atom gradually decreases. So phi means charge by radius. According to radius, lithium greater than beryllium greater than boron. But according to charge, lithium less than beryllium less than boron. So phi of boron greater than beryllium greater than lithium. So according to Fajans, polarizability of boron greater than beryllium greater than lithium. Next, point number 2. The smaller the size of the cation, the more efficient it is in polarizing the anion. The smaller the size of the cation, smaller the size of the cation, the more efficient it is in polarizing the anion. Suppose question is like that. Compare the polarization power in between lithium plus, sodium plus and potassium plus. Lithium, sodium, potassium, group 1 element. According to group in the periodic table, first lithium, then sodium, then potassium. So up to down, size of the atom gradually increases. So radius of the cation increases from lithium to sodium to potassium. Charge same, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So phi of lithium plus greater than sodium plus greater than potassium plus. So polarization power of lithium plus greater than sodium plus greater than potassium plus. Very simple answer. Number 3, third type. The more highly charged an anion is, the more difficult it is in control the outer orbital electrons. It is therefore easily polarized. The more highly charged an anion. Suppose oxygen and oxygen 2 minus. So for oxygen, proton number 8, electron number 8, but in oxygen 2 minus, proton number 8, electron number 10. So according to electronic theory, O2 minus greater than oxygen, because O2 minus contains 10 electron, oxygen contains 8 electron, but proton number is same. O2 minus proton number is also 8, oxygen proton number is also 8. So more highly charged an anion is, the more difficult it is to control the outer orbital electron. That means for oxygen, outer orbital electron 2s2, 2p4, but O2 minus 2s2, 2p6. The outer orbital contains 6 electrons for O2 minus, but 4 electrons for oxygen. So it is difficult to control outer orbital electron for O2 minus than normal oxygen. So polarization power of O2 minus greater than oxygen. যদি অন্যভাবে বলতে পারা যায়, O2 minus easily polarized by the cation than normal oxygen. Number 4. Last point. Given the same charge and similar size, a pseudo noble gas type cation. Very important point. Pseudo noble gas type cation. What is the meaning? Pseudo noble gas type cation. Pseudo noble gas cation always contained 18 electron in the outermost shell. Pseudo noble gas always contained 18 electron in the outermost shell. যদি example দিই, copper plus Ag plus, copper plus, copper outermost shell 4s1 3d10 and 3s2 3p6 4s1 3d10. For copper plus 1 contains 3s2 3p6 3d10. So 2 plus 6 plus 10, that means 18 electron. 18 electron. So copper plus 1 contains 3s2 3p6 3d10. That means 2 plus 6 plus 10, that means 18 electron. If any cation contains 18 electron in the outermost shell, is known as pseudo noble gas cation. The pseudo noble gas cation will be more easily deformed or polarized than a cation of noble gas. Normal noble gas, suppose sodium. Sodium 2s2 2p6 3s1. For sodium plus 2s2 2p6 8 electron. If any atom normally contains 8 electron in the outermost shell, it's called normal noble gas. Suppose potassium plus 3s2 3p6 8 electron, normal noble gas. Alkali metal, if any alkali metal release one electron from the outermost shell, then converted into noble gas. Any alkali metal releases one electron from the outermost shell, then converted into noble gas. If alkali metals converted into the noble gas, it is normal noble gas cation. But any d orbital, 3d orbital, 4d, 5d, d orbital elements, d orbital metals cation contain 18 electron on the outermost shell. It is known as pseudo noble gas cation. This pseudo noble gas cation easily or more easily polarized than normal noble gas cation. As a consequence, such cations are easily polarized by the anion. These four rules is known as Fajon's rule.